Any health about? Fuck's sake!
It's time to meet the family.
Enjoy the last minutes of your lives, Rangers. Wish I could stay and watch, but I've gotta run. Toodles!
We can't let that slime ball get away.
How dare you shoot Mrs. Zircon?
Keep firing! Keep moving, Ratchet. Yeah, keep at it.
Zircons will now activate super awesome shield.
Her shield's down. Fire! Destroy her shield.
Shit. Okay, there we go.
Your feeble weapons are stupid. You dare to shoot Mrs. Zircon? One little, two little, dead little. The Zircons will destroy you now.
Keep shooting. It's working.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Shit.
Mrs. Zircon has brought you closer to death. How dare you?
Come on, this is the closest I've got. I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot, I'm concentrating.
It's time to eat the Zircons.
No. What did I pick up?
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed. Mr. Zircon
You
is
dare to shoot Mrs. Zircon? The Zircons will destroy you now. One little, two little,
Shit.
little rangers.
Come on, you're in 18%. Go away. No. This ain't happening. Give me help. Why is there so many things shooting me?
Dare you shoot Mrs. Zircon?
She's almost dead. Please die. Please, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1.
Yeah, the bigger they are.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go
Don't even know what the fuck you've got.
Dispatch your ship to the Drek Industries tarmac. We'll see you back on Kurwan.
I don't know what that means. I want to go home.
Is
Where am I going? Going here.
Hey, can you take care of this lock?
Please let it be auto.
There's not a minute to lose, Rangers. Let's rendezvous toward this deep.
Wait, what does he want? Said Novalis. Is this the last level? Please let this be the last level.
Fighters ready to run. So what's
It's gotta be.
Captain?
Huh? Oh,
It's not a planet, it's the ship.
Here's what we're going to do, Rangers. I'll go in first and try to reason with this Drek character. See if we can talk this out mano a mano.
Talk? I don't follow, sir.
Sir, he's blown up 5 planets already. I think we're done talking.
I'm going in.
Captain, wait! Second without the fire, we should. Ah! Is it me, or does that plan just seem
Idiotic? Hey, I'm sure Quark knows what he's doing.
Ammo acquired.
And how the fuck do I get in?
Ship repaired.
Victor! The Galactic Rangers have decided to
What just happened?
our party. Be a sport and show them a warm welcome, would you? With pleasure, Chairman.
That's Victor Von Ion's death ship.
All Rangers, engage Victor's ship. Quark! Quark? Where is he?
Ready to die.
homing missiles inbound?
Fire your rockets at him.
If you scratch my death ship, I'll murderize you.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep it up.
This ship is gonna take more than that to destroy me.
Ammo depleted.
He's got a tractor beam.
Incoming missiles detected. I can't steer!
Just shoot him.
Fire missiles! Coming
I can't
back.
get away.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
I'm gonna die.
Rax, keep your line. I'm on your 6.
Let's go.
Ammo depleted.
No Lombacks can take me down. Let's see it dodge this.
Incoming missile.
No! No!
You did it. Nice work, Ratchet.
How did I do it? I don't even know what I did. That can't be the last battle, surely. Shit, it's not.
That was my best death ship. You'll pay for this, Lumbax.
Their defensive fire is too strong. Pull back. Your fighter won't make it.
Big heroes do big things.
He made it! What was that?
I do not know. I will investigate. Probably just the ship settling. Nothing to be alarmed about. Whoa! Oh my.
Wait.
You're not getting away this time.
Victor Von Ion has infiltrated the Phoenix. We must abandon the bridge.
The fires are spreading out of control.
I have an idea. Can you access the ship's fire suppression system?
Yes, but it's not going to be easy. The ship's power core is damaged, so I had to divert everything to our
Fuck.
backup generator, but it'll have to be done manually.
How do I get to the backup generator?
It's in engineering, but the
Leave me alone.
fried.
I'm only small.
To get them back online.
Do hurry.
This is the end for you, defect.
There! Head inside!
No! Shit, was I meant to go in there?
You missed the doors! You can get them on the next pass.
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap.
Will I die again?
Away this time.
Surprise, a fucking
Ion
prize.
has infiltrated the Phoenix. We must abandon the bridge.
The fires are spreading out of control!
I have an idea. Can you access the ship's fire suppression system?
Yes, but it's not going to be easy. The ship's power core is damaged, so I had to divert everything to our primary systems. We can boot up the backup generator, but it'll have to be done manually.
How do I get to the backup generator?
It's in engineering, but the door controls are fried. I need a minute to get them back online.
Do hurry.
This is the end for you, defect.
That's right, I got you now. I know what you do. Yes, made it through the first one. Oh, not this shit again. Yo, what's up guys? Now, I knew I said I was going to complete this in this session, but obviously it's taken a lot longer than I thought, and I've been playing for about 2 hours now. I feel like my head's going to explode because this game's doing my head in. I am enjoying it, but it is driving me absolutely insane with the amount I've died as well. So I'll be coming back to it at some point to finish it off. Hope you're liking this series. Please like, subscribe, and hopefully it will be done soon. See you later.